Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Milan. I'm really excited to share today's video with you. In today's video, I'm gonna solve another fun and challenging kangaroo question. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. So as you can see, we have 6 semicircles with radius 1, and these 6 semicircles form a figure similar to a clover leaf, and we are going to find the area of this figure. First of all, I'm going to remove this semicircle and move here. And then cut this semicircle and place here. And the last one, cut this semicircle and put it here. Okay, so you can see that we will have this shape, which is a regular hexagon. So I'm gonna draw this here. Okay, so instead of finding the area of this clover leaf, I'm gonna find the area of this regular hexagon. Okay, if you don't know the formula for finding the area of regular hexagon, you can cut this hexagon into 6 equal pieces. So now we have 6 triangles. The type of these triangles is equilateral triangle, so these 3 sides are equal in lengths, but we just need to find the lengths of this hexagon. So you can see that here for this semicircle the radius is 1, so this is the diameter of this semicircle, which is 2. Okay, so we have 2 as the side lengths of this regular hexagon. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is to find the area of this equilateral triangle and then multiply by 6 because we have 6 triangles. So the area of hexagon is area of 6 equilateral triangle. Perfect. So we have this triangle, equilateral triangle, with side lengths 2. There is a formula for finding the area of this equilateral triangle, which is radical 3 over 4a squared. What is a? A is the side lengths of this triangle. So we just need to substitute 2 into this equation. Radical 3 over 4a squared, which is 4. So 2 squared is 4. You can simplify by 4. So you will have radical 3, the area of one of these equilateral triangles. And the last step is that we have 6 equilateral triangles. So the area of this regular hexagon is 6 times radical 3, which is 6 radical 3, the final answer of this question. And you can see that the answer is choice E. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.